Well, the train is going just the way as I want it to be. But wait, who is sitting there watching the train? Zhu! What are you guys doing here? You are not trains. But let's go get on the track. Be careful, Zhu Zhus. Don't go off the edge. Look out! Zhu Zhu, are you okay? Excuse me, train. Could you help me for a second? The cat fell off the edge. Could you take him a ride back to the ranch? The train didn't understand, so I took you back. Well, the train is starting back up again. I don't want any more Zhu Zhus to get on the track. Did you say us to follow the train? No! I literally did say, don't get on the track. I'm gonna sit here for a minute. There's a train coming to get you. Look out. He's pushing you. Get off the track. Wow. Whew. I don't want any more Zhu Zhus on the track. Stay off the track. How come the train is still on it? Because it needs to follow the tracks. Well, the train is still working. I hope we could get on it too. Hey, get off the track, Zhu Zhu. There, stay on the bridge. It went right by you. I'm on the train. Hey, you almost knocked the train off the track. Little train, are you okay? You are? I'm glad to hear it. Let's start you back up. Well, this has been a great episode about Zhu Zhus getting on the track that they're not supposed to, that they like to watch trains. Isn't that right, Squirrel? Yes. Isn't that right, Rabbit? Yes. Isn't that right, Hamster? Yes. Well, goodbye for now.